Alright, so hey guys, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at an example problem using Math.random. Specifically, we want to look at generating a random number between 1 and 10 inclusive. And inclusive just means that 10 is included in those numbers that could be generated. And in more formal mathematical notation, those are shown by the square brackets. So square bracket 1 and then all through 10 square bracket. If you saw parenthesis, that would mean not including, up to but not including. So go ahead and try this on your own. See if you can write a line of Java code that can generate a random number between 1 and 10. Alright, so hopefully you're able to come up with a solution for it, and if not, that's okay. We're going to walk through it right now. So, as with all these Math.random problems, we're going to want to start probably with a number. We're going to want an integer, not a floating point. If you wanted something that was between 0 and 1, sure, you'd use a float. But our problem said between 1 and 10. So it's going to be a whole number, or it's going to be an integer. And we'll just call it num, short for number. And we'll just go ahead and put in Math.random, which, as I just said, will give you a number, a floating point number, between 0 and 1, but not including 1. It's not inclusive. And we want to get this between 1 and 10. So the first thing we need to do is increase the range. So instead of going from 0 to 1, we want to go from 0 up to, but not quite including 10. So like up to 9.999999. And we can do that just by multiplying this thing by 10. Put this in parentheses just to be safe. And now we've got the numbers from 0 to 9. And if you want to see that, we can actually run some experiments. Semicolon up here, and we will print it out. Print num. Let's compile it. Yes. And we will run it. So we got 2, got 6. Let's actually put a for loop here so that we can run multiple iterations. So in I, started at 0, we'll go up to 10, and we'll count up by 1 each time. And just to make it look nice, we'll go ahead and add this indentation. You don't have to. Java doesn't care. Got to compile it first. Oop. Don't know why that was there. There we go. So as you can see, we've got 0 up through 9 are all the possible combinations, all the possible numbers that we can get. But we want from 1 to 10. So the easiest thing that we can do is just add 1 to whatever we got. So 4 would become 5, 0 would become 1, 8 would become 9, and so on. So if we run it now, and we'll increase this so we can get more examples. Let's do 20 for, let's just say 20. And there we go. So it looks like we've gotten most of the combinations here. So that's it. It's that easy. That's how you can generate the numbers between 1 and 10 using Math.random. So remember, this is the range of numbers, like the spread. And then this is telling you basically where you want to start. All right, that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.